Good afternoon, students. Last class we all studied entrepreneurship, government scheme of entrepreneur schemes. Okay. Next, Company Act. Last class, difference between shares and debentures. Today we all learn about Company Act 2013. Indian Company Act 2013. First introduction. The concept of company or corporation in business is not a new but was dealt with in 4th century BC itself. During the Arthashastra days, its shapes got revamped over a period of time according the needs of business dynamic. Business dynamic means that is old method means olden days businesses only based on barter system, goods exchange to goods only, but nowadays goods exchange only in based on money value only. That is business dynamic means old method only. A company from business has a certain distinct advantages over other from the business like sole proprietorship, partnership, etc., including features such as a limited liability and perpetual succession. Next one, evaluation history of company law in India. Evaluation history of company law in India. The earliest business association in England were the Merchant Guilds. Merchant means business. Business people. That is merchant people. Some of the merchant associations or guides who have regulated the companies. First one, a royal chartered established in East India Company in year 8600. The royal charter established the East India Company year 1600. Next one, in England, Joint Stock Company Act was passed the first time in 1844. England in 1844 only, but India is recognized in 1956 only. 56 means totally 100 years very back. The England joint stock, listen students, joint stock means some person joining. Indian Partnership Act 1956, some private company in joint stock companies. Mostly joint stock companies a large scale companies only. Joint stock company is a large scale company. Next one, in the year of 1850 taking in England joint stock company in 1844 as the base on provision was made for restrictions of joint stock company in India. The Joint Stock Company Act was passed in India by introducing the concept of limited liability in the year of 1857. Listen students, limited liability. Limited liability means this word is some companies limited liability. The profit or company asset or some partners asset is limited liability only. Next one, in the 1913 in the Indian Company Act 1913 was passed. The act introduced the institutions of private companies in the corporate sectors in India after independence based on the recommendations of Sri H.C. Baba Committee in 1850 and provisions of the England Company Act 1948. The Company Act of 1956 was introduced in Parliament. Listen, students. Each and every year, one word is very very important. Inside one word. Note it down, students. The Indian Parliament recognized in 1956 only. Indian Company Act recognized in 1956. The Company Act of 1956 came into force on 1st April 1956. The main object of company law of 1956. Listen, students. Explain any, note it down. One important 2 mark or 3 mark inside question. The Indian Company Act 1956 company main objectives, any 2 or 3 main objective, right? This is a one important inside question. First one, to sustain a trust and faith of shareholders. The 1956 Indian company, some main objectives of is each and every company's shareholders is truth and faith of shareholders. Company and shareholders is reality and truthful is very very important. Next one, to protect the preserve the rights of shareholder. To protect means some security in shareholders. Listen, students. Each and every company India, each and every company's shareholders compulsory registered in SEBI. SEBI means Security Exchange Board of India. Its main function is protecting shareholders. Main function is protecting shareholders. Next one, to make a regulation of effective annual meeting. Effective annual, each and every company is compulsory 6 month once or 3 month once or annually compulsory in annual general meeting. Next one, the investment of general public should be used for the development of society or social welfare activities. So many private companies in social activities. Already one lesson is philanthropic activities. So much of corporate companies, some private companies is some voluntarily, some organize, some voluntarily service. First one is some ambulance, free ambulance, some ambulance service. Next one, some barricades in sponsored barricades. That word is sponsored by Chennai Silks or GRT. Some word lost, one advertisement word mentioned. Some barricades. Next, some tuition center, coaching centers, that is voluntary association. Some companies, joint stock companies in protect the society development or society welfare activities. Next one, the Company Act was 1956 has been amended from time to time from 2006 to 2009. Some important changes was made. Amended means some rules and regulation or restrictions, that is amended. Next one, the Company Law Board, CLB means Company Law Board, has been abolished. The National Company Law of Tribunal is formed. Tribunal means, listen students, each and every some different words. Amended means some rules and regulation or restriction, that is amended. But tribunal means special court or some appointed in special committee, that is tribunal. Next one, the rehabilitation of stock companies will be undertaken by the NCTLT and not by the Board of Industrial and Financial Reconstructions. Next one, earlier the BIFR was entrusted with the rehabi- rehabilitation. Rehabilitation means some improvement. Rehabilitation means some improvement of sick companies as the matter came under the jurisdiction of the Sikh Industry Company Act 1985 SICA. SICA means Sikh Industrial Company Act, but now the Sikh Industrial Companies replay Sikh Industrial Companies Repeal Act of 2003 as a replaced SICA and work the revival and rehabilitation as being a interest of NCLT against the Company Act has been amended in the year of 2013 has been introduced several new concepts and definitions. This definition, this explanation, this is 1956 act is oriented, but nowadays so many changes in year of 2013 Indian Company Act, so many changes. Okay, in this lesson introduction only, listen students, this introduction very carefully, you read two or three times, you read properly some important inside one words this lesson. Okay students, next day, next exam what? Next exam what students? Next exam is commerce. Listen, you read properly, very important. Listen students, you write neatly, you write cursive writing, do not write in overwriting. And listen students, the top column is compulsory, you write your name, it's very important. You are each and every pages you write neatly and correct point only you write. Okay, do not write in story, your exactly correct point only you write students. Okay, all the best, thank you. Next class we all discuss next new one topic. Okay, thank you students.